Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement today, but along with that movement in price, you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Maybe say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up above $7.60. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $7.60, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to somehow stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area down here, and that's right around $7.15. So $7.60, $7.15 are going to be two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of this move is just, well, keep an eye on that purple line. And of course, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, preferably, yeah, staying above 760 would be great, but grand scheme of thing viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now, right up around $7.85. Several times today, the price tried to get up through that level and just couldn't quite do it. So $7.85 will be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice move today. And, you know, in my opinion, at least breaking levels of resistance, not necessarily the top priority. Top priority is just continue to go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.